Yes. Good morning, beta. Good afternoon. We were doing exercise 4.4 yesterday. We had discussed first question. Second question we were doing. Let's start with the second question, B part. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Base angles are equal. Arush, Drishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out, bache. Read out this question.
Yes, ma'am. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degrees. What are the base angles of the triangle? Remember, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees.
Yes, yes. But this type of question we have already done. We have discussed one thing, that in an isosceles triangle, two of its sides are equal. Then the angle opposite to equal side are also equal. Did you remember about this? Before vacations, in the first, or I think in the second exercise, we have discussed this same question, but little bit difference is there. Now, I have drawn a triangle ABC, which is isosceles triangle ABC. Let me write everything. I will explain it to you. Then you will get the time to note down the things. ABC is an isosceles triangle. As it is an isosceles triangle, what does it mean? It means that two of its sides are equal. Which side? AB is equal to AC. Okay, as it is isosceles, the two of its sides are equal. And angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So this implies angle B is equal to angle C. Is it okay? Is it okay? This we have already discussed. अब आपको कहता है बेस एंगल इक्वल है, दिए हुए हैं, लेकिन मैंने फिर भी रीजन लिखवा दिया आपको. बेस एंगल इक्वल होते हैं, आपने ये लर्न कर लेना है. साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं, उनके ऑपोजिट एंगल भी इक्वल होते हैं. नाउ द वर्टेक्स एंगल इज 40. As these two angles are equal, can we say this angle as XX? ठीक है, तो let angle B is equal to angle C is equal to X. And we know one more property, that sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180. Sum of three angles is 180. तो तीनों एंगल कौन से हैं? 40 प्लस एक्स प्लस एक्स. अगर आपने ये नहीं लिखना ना तो मत लिखो, अब सीधा ये लिख दो. बेस एंगल्स आर इक्वल, ये गिवन है. ठीक है, ये भी चल जाएगा. बेस एंगल्स आर ऑलरेडी इक्वल. ठीक है, तो आपने तीनों एंगल का सम कर दिया, दैट इज इक्वल टू 180. एक्स प्लस एक्स क्या हो जाएगा? 2x. दिस इज विद वेरिएबल, सो यू विल कीप इट हियर. 40 will go to the another side, it will be minus 40, it will be 140. X is equal to 70. X क्या आ जाएगा? 70 आ जाएगा. Got it? Got it? So angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 70 degree. So base angles we are getting as 70 degree each. So today we will able to complete this chapter, and tomorrow we will start with the new chapter. Okay. Next chapter that we will start is symmetry. C part, Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Sachin has scored twice means double of the score that Rahul has made. So let Rahul scored X. Then what's the Sachin score? What will be the Sachin score? That is 2x. Is it okay? If Rahul has made X runs, then Sachin must have made double of that, that is 2x. And both together has made 2 short of the double century. How many runs are there in the double century? 200. Century में 100 होता है, double century में 200 हो गया, and it is 2 short means 2 less than the double century. तो 200 में से 2 less करेंगे कितना आ जाएगा? 198. So that means they total together has made 198 score. Is it okay? So 1x plus 2x is your 3x. This 3 is multiplying here. It will shift to the right side. It will be divide. So Rahul scored 66 runs and Sachin scored double of 66, that is 132. Is it okay? Yes, Anmol? Anmol?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Question number 3 first.
Yes.
First, Khan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Partin has.
Parmeet.
Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmeet have?
Yes, listen to me carefully. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. इरफान कह रहा है कि उसके पास 7 मार्बल्स मोर हैं 5 टाइम्स द मार्बल दैट परमीत हैज. जितने मार्बल परमीत के पास हैं उसका 5 टाइम्स कर दें और उसमें 7 ऐड कर दें तो दैट विल मेक्स द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इरफान. ओके, सो लेट परमीत हैज x marbles. Irfan has 5x plus 7. 5 times the marble that Parmeet has plus 7. 7 more than 5 times the marble that Parmeet has. Now, according to question, it is given that Irfan has total 37 marbles. So let it make equal to 37. Solve this and that will give you the number of marble. This plus 7 will go to the next side. It will become minus 7 and the answer is 30. X is equal to 30 by 5, that is 6. So Parmeet has 6 marbles and Irfan he already has 37 marbles. Got it? So no need to find the Irfan marble, but if you will find by using this, you will definitely get 37 as the answer. Hardik, Hardik, raise your hand. Arshia, read out the next question, second part.
Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age?
Yes. Lakshmi's father age is already given. He matlab we are talking about his father. His father age is already 4 years older than thrice the Lakshmi's age. Means अगर लक्ष्मी की एज का thrice कर दे और उसमें 4 ऐड कर दे तो that will give you his father's age. Yes, Hardik?
Yes, ma'am.
How you will start this solution? Let Lakshmi's age be X. Let Lakshmi's age be X. Father's age is 3 times the Lakshmi's age plus 4. Father is 4 years older than thrice the Lakshmi's age. So we have got father's age as 3x plus 4. And father's age is already given as 49. So let it equate to 49. That is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 by 3. X is equal to 15. So this is Lakshmi's age. That is 15 years. And father's age is already given, that is 49. So no need to find the father's age because it is already given in the question. Yes, Hardik, read the next part.
Yes, ma'am. People of Sandgram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees.
People of Sundargram planted trees.
People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77?
Yes. Actually, in the garden, we have 2 types of trees. One is fruit trees and other are non-fruit trees. जो non-fruit trees हैं, वो 2 more than हैं thrice the number of fruit trees. So इस statement में what I have spoken at the end is fruit trees. So you will start from the fruit trees. Okay. So have you done this question? Okay, write down. Let the number of fruit trees be X. Let the number of fruit trees be X. Let the number of fruit trees be X. Non-fruit trees are 2 more than thrice the fruit trees. 2 more than means 2 plus thrice the fruit trees. And what was the number of fruit trees if the non-fruit trees are 77? These are also non-fruit trees. But in the question, it is given as non-fruit trees are 77. So equate this is equal to 77. So this is 3x is equal to 77 minus 2, that is 75. So x is equal to 75 by 3, that is 25. So fruit trees are 25 and non-fruit trees are already given as 77. Wait. Yes, start.
Question number 4. Solve the following riddle. I am a number. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times over and add a 50. To reach a triple century, you still need 40.
Okay. Yes, everyone try to solve this question. I am giving you 1 minute. Please solve it. And you are going to tell me the solution. Yes, I am a number. Let the number be x. Take me 7 times over. 7 times means you will make 7 times of the number, that is 7x, and you will add 50 to this. To reach a triple century means there are 100 runs in the century, so he wants triple century means 300. You still need 40, means whatsoever you have made already, that is 7x plus 50, you still need 40 runs to make triple century. Solve this and get the answer. The number is x. You have made 7 times of this number, add 50, and for making the triple century, you still need 40 runs. So add 40 to this, solve this and get the suitable answer. Hurry up. Start this. 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. Next is 4 times m plus 3 is equal to 18. Start this, beta. p is equal to 25 plus 5. That is equal to 30. P is equal to 30 by 12. Cancel it out with 3. That is 5 by 2. That is 2.5. Or you can say mixed fraction 2.5. Okay. Both are correct. Start next.
Ma'am, the answer is 3 by 2 or 1 by 2.
Yes, answer is 3 by 2, or you can say 1.5 or 1.5. Okay, so all are correct. Solve this. You will take -2 on the right side. It will be divide. You are left with -4. Then +3 will go to the next side. It will be -3. Answer is -7. Is it so? Are you getting the same answer? Rishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start next one. This -5 will go to the next side. It will be +5. That will be 8. 3 is dividing. It will be multiplied. 2 is multiplying. It will be divide. Hurry up, solve this. Yes, Arshia, what's the answer? Samriddhi, Guneet.
And 12.
Yes, answer is 12. You are getting B as 12. That is 24. And B is equal to 24 by 2. That is 12.